So the question is the number of real roots of the equation. This is 3, 4, 1, 2. So we have to choose from these. So first we have this. So from here we can just do let e raised to power x equals t, and t is congruent to 0, comma 8 infinite. So the equation will become now t raised to power 4 plus t cube plus minus 4t square plus t plus 1 equals 0. Then on solving those, we'll get t square plus t minus 4 plus 1 upon 4 1 upon t plus 1 upon t square equals 0. After that you can just write t square plus 1 upon t square plus t plus 1 upon t minus 4 equals 0. Now just let t plus 1 upon t equals a comma a is greater than 0. Then a square plus a minus 2 plus minus 4 equal to 0. We will after solving that we will get a square plus a minus 6 is equal to 0. Then we can write it as a square plus 3a minus 2a plus minus 6 equals 0. Then after solving that we will get a plus 3 into a minus 2 is equal to 0. So from here we can say that a is 2 comma minus 3. So we know a is equal to 2, but a cannot be equal to 3 minus 3. Therefore a is less than 0. A is greater than 0 as a is greater than 0. So from our previous equation, e raised to power 2x minus 2ex plus 1 equal to 0. So ex will be 1. So x is equal to 0 is our only solution, which is the only real root. Hence we can say 1 is the only answer.